Hi, for this video, what I want to do is show you how to create a truth table for an implication. An implication is any kind of if-then statement. We're going to let the letters P represent the if part and Q represent the then part. So I have a statement here. If you take out the trash, then you will get $1. So we're going to let P equal the statement you take out the trash, and Q represent the statement you will get $1. So we're going to create a truth table for if P then Q. So this right here is just read as the if P then Q. Alright, so let's get started with our truth table. And since we only have two variables, our two variables go at the top of our table. Okay, and we always start truth tables when we have two values the same way. We always put in the first column true, true, false, false. And in the second one we do true, false, true, false. And the reason for that is because the first statement can be true, the second statement can also follow being true, or we could have had a true statement for the first one and a false statement for the second one, a false statement for the first followed by a true statement for the second, or both of them could be false statements. So this gives all of the combinations of possibilities for these statements. Okay, a true statement for the first one would be you actually did take out the trash. Then you will get $1. That's what this first part is saying. So what we're going to do is we're going to create another column for the P, if P then Q. Okay, there is only one situation where this is a false statement, and that's when the conditional part is true, but you don't collect the then part. So with this, on the first one, if I look at this, if you take out the trash, then you will get $1. Both of them were true. That's a true statement. Okay. For the second one, if you take out the trash, you did what you were told to do, but then you don't get your $1, the second part becomes false. This is a false statement because the consequence was not met. The promise that was given to you was not met. Okay, you can have a false statement. If you don't take out the trash, then you will get $1. Well, I could just give you $1 for any reason. Even if you didn't take out the trash, you can still be given $1. So this is a true statement. And then the last one, if you don't take out the trash, then you don't get the $1, is how we would look at a false and a false. So this is also true because if you didn't do the if part, then you don't necessarily get the then part. So with this, anytime that you have if P then Q, the only time it's false is if the if part or antecedent is true, but the then or consequence is false. As always, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know. If there are additional topics you need me to cover, please let me know that as well.